Hello everyone, welcome to Static GK quiz number 106. This video is aimed to help you with your central and state government job examinations. I'm Ritrisha from GK today and I'll be taking you through this. 1 minute of arc of latitude along any meridian is also known as 1 nautical mile. A nautical mile is a unit of measurement used both in air and marine navigation and for the definition of territorial waters. Historically, it was defined as 1 minute or 1/60th of a degree of latitude. Today, it is defined as 1852 meters. The derived unit of speed is the knot, 1 nautical mile per hour. Which among the following is considered to be a part of shadow banking in India? The correct answer is non-banking financial companies. Shadow banking refers to all the non-bank financial intermediaries that provide services similar to those of traditional commercial banks. They generally carry out traditional banking functions but do so outside the traditional system of regulated depository institutions. Shadow banking has grown in importance in the last decade or so and was one of the primary factors in the subprime mortgage crisis of 2007-2008 and the global recession that followed it. Which among the following state is the highest producer of soybean in India? With 12 million tons of production, soybean is one of the fastest growing crops in India. Soybean is grown as a kharif crop in India and the top 3 largest soybean producers are Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra and Rajasthan. Madhya Pradesh and Maharashtra have 45 and 40% share in production respectively. So the correct answer here is Madhya Pradesh. Which among the following is the largest producer of wheat in India? Wheat is India's primary most staple harvest, placed second only to rice. It is mostly consumed in the north and northwest parts of the country, Uttar Pradesh being the topmost contributor of wheat with a total production of 25.22 million tons, followed by Punjab and Madhya Pradesh. So the correct answer here is Uttar Pradesh. Aam Aadmi Bima Yojana or AABY was launched in which among the following years? Aam Aadmi Bima Yojana was launched on October 2nd, 2007. So the correct answer is 2007. Insurance is what it deals with. Insurance for accidental death and partial permanent disability to the head of the family of rural households in the country. Provisions include A. The head of the family or one earning member in the family will be insured. B. The central government will bear 50% of the sum and the other 50% will be financed by the state government. Berne Convention is most closely related to what? Berne Convention for the Protection of Literary and Artistic Works, usually known as the Berne Convention, is an international agreement governing copyright which was first accepted in Bern, Switzerland in 1886. So it deals with copyrights. AOA in context with World Trade Organization is Agreement on Agriculture. So the pillars of World Trade Organization are 1. Multi-Fiber Agreement or MFA, 2. Agreement on Agriculture or AOA, Trade-Related Investment Measures or TRIMs, Trade-Related Intellectual Property Right or TRIPS, General Agreement on Trade and Services or GATS. A gene is a functional unit of chromosomes. A gene is the basic physical and functional unit of heredity or chromosomes. Genes, which are made up of DNA, act as instructions to make molecules called proteins. In humans, genes vary in size from a few hundred DNA bases to more than 2 million bases. A neutron, an electron, a proton, and an alpha particle are moving with the same kinetic energy. Which of the following is correct order of their speed? So alpha particle is the fastest, followed by neutron, then proton, and then electron. So option A is the correct answer. The Rural Infrastructure Development Fund or RIDF is used by the state governments to develop infrastructure in rural areas. Which of the following manages RIDF? The penalties levied on domestic commercial banks who fail to meet the PSL targets is the major source of Rural Infrastructure Development Fund funding. It is administered by NABARD. That's all for today's quiz. Until the next video, goodbye.